Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. Here we are with an alternate project using the Spooky Treats paper pumpkin kit. So this one is not Halloween, but I'm using the little box and I'm going to use the sleeve and I'm going to use the Hues of Happiness paper, the Happiness dies, and a greeting from Happiness Abounds. This is one of the tags or greeting banners from the kit. And I took the Best Wishes stamp and I inked up just the best and stuck it down, and then just wishes and put it down so that I could fit the whole greeting on this little tab. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make the sleeve up. I pre-made the box. If this is the first video you've watched, just check out one of the other videos that has the box in it, and it will give you the instructions on the box. I wanted to do this one fairly quickly. So there's our slider here, and now I just need to decide how I'm going to place these on so that I can get them all in the way I want them to. And I think that will be just perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the greeting and I'm going to flat mount it in the bottom corner of the box because we knew that's where we wanted it to go. And I'm just going to give it a bit of a push there. Now, the only issue with building on the box is that it's a bit soft. So I just wanted to wrap everything around so that I could see what I was doing beforehand. So let's grab another dimensional for the back of the flower and we will put this on like this, and we're going to overlap the best wishes there. You could wrap a ribbon around this, you could do all kinds of things with this. I'm going to tuck those leaves in like that, and I have another set of leaves right here that I'm going to tuck down the bottom like that. So there we have a really, really pretty, super quick project. I used the Happiness Dies and the Happiness Abounds set to make this alternate project from the Spooky Treats September 2022 paper pumpkin kit. Thanks for watching, and let's create together again soon.